Hi Mayfield, it's Miss McPhee, and this is our weekly homework video for my Math 6 students. Due tomorrow, Friday, May 13th. The homework is front and back. Remember, you have the option of doing this paper or completing the exact same version but online. And remember also next week, no homework because we have such an unusual week with a half day and a field trip and beginning of MCAP testing. I went to the shoebox and we did have a suggestion. Can you do the calculating volumes, please? Yes, I can. That is the problem on the back. And it really works with exponents. We did some great work earlier this week doing solve and seek around the room with exponents, so I wonder if you even need this help as much as you initially did. Jada and Noah wanted to find the total volume of a cube and a rectangular prism. They already know that the prism's volume is 20 cubic units, so that's 20 units cubed. That's what that means. And they know the cube has side lengths of 10 units. Jada says the total volume then would be 27,000 cubic units. Noah says it's 1,020 cubic units. Here's how each of them reasoned. So Jada took the prism, and then she knows the cube is going to be length times width times height. So she wrote it as 10 to the third power. And Noah did the same thing. He's like, well, here's the rectangular prism, and I'm going to add that to the volume of my cube, which is length times width times height, which is 10 to the third power. So they both started off perfectly. But then Jada combined her 20 and 10 to get 30, and then cubed that answer. So Jada did 30 times 30 times 30. Whereas Noah cubed his 10. He did 10 times 10 times 10, and then added his 20. So do you agree with either of them and explain your answer? So I'm going to give you a minute to think about it. One of them is right, and it's Noah. So Jada made a very common mistake where she added first, and then when she has that 30, she did 30 times 30 times 30 correctly, but because the 30 is wrong, her answer is going to be wrong. Your exponent only affects what it's touching. The exponent is touching the 10. So Noah is correct. He's going to do his exponents first, and 10 times 10 is 100. 100 times 10 is 1,000, and then 1,000 plus 20 is 1,020 units cubed. For Jada to be correct, and we did have a few problems like this as our classwork, you would need to have parentheses around the 20 and the 10, because then the exponent is touching the parentheses, and you would add everything in the parentheses and then cube that answer. So I hope that helps you make sense of that problem. You worked really hard on your quiz today, and tomorrow we'll be doing a little MCAT practice to get you ready for that test next week. Thank you. You worked very hard, and I love to see you every day. See you soon. Bye.